apologize on behalf of the people of Zimbabwe, particularly to the international journalists. This is unacceptable, this is unnecessary, but this cannot be the behavior of the people who have won. It can only be a behavior of those who have lost. Clearly indicating that our colleagues in ZANU-PF have panicked because they were defeated in this election. They are not confident of the citizens. This is why they can fire live ammunition on citizens who are going about doing their own thing. Indicate that there has been a misunderstanding that has characterized this election. As far as we are concerned, this election as a presidential result is fraudulent, illegal, illegitimate, and characterized by serious credibility gaps and some serious legitimacy issues that we feel must be raised. Thank you for coming. The President will address his press conference.